Welcome to our comparison of two popular rice cookers, the Zojirushi NSZ-CC10 and the Cuckoo CR0375FG. Today, we will explore their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're a rice enthusiast or just looking for a reliable cooker, this video will help you make an informed decision. When it comes to capacity, the Zojirushi NSZ-CC10 offers a larger uncooked rice capacity of 5.5 cups, making it ideal for families or gatherings. In contrast, the Cuckoo CR0375FG has a smaller capacity of 3 cups uncooked, which is better suited for individuals or small households. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your cooking needs, especially if you often prepare rice in larger quantities. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The Zojirushi NSZ-CC10 is priced at $301, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. On the other hand, the Cuckoo CR0375FG is much more affordable at $99, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. This price difference raises the question, are the additional features of the Zojirushi worth the investment? Both rice cookers utilize fuzzy logic technology for optimal cooking results, but they differ in features. The Zojirushi NSZ-CC10 boasts advanced neuro-fuzzy logic, allowing for precise adjustments in cooking time and temperature. Meanwhile, the Cuckoo CR0375FG includes a convenient one-touch auto-clean mode, making maintenance easier. Depending on your cooking style and preferences, these features may sway your decision. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi NSZ-CC10 and the Cuckoo CR0375FG have their unique advantages. The Zojirushi is perfect for those who need a larger capacity and advanced cooking technology, while the Cuckoo offers great value and convenience for smaller households. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.